So here we are, TTR Open Day. We've got lots of customers' cars on display, customers' race cars on display, enthusiast cars on display. It's a good chance for people to get together, have a chat, have a mingle, look at some cars, a couple of Q&A sessions, a couple of technical talks. It's just a good day to get everyone together, showcase what we do. It's just gonna hopefully be a good fun day.
Yeah, we're here at TTR Motorsport's Open Day, just showcasing my car, which TTR have done most of the work on. We've had a lot of enthusiasts here, met up with some people I know, and Matt's been doing some talks, which have been really, really interesting. Looking forward to the next one.
It's been a great day. I really enjoyed it. Had the little one with me. Great food, great people. There was a great variety of cars, all modified, all standard, plenty of choice to look around. It's all looking really good, very interesting.
We've had an amazing first ever TTR Open Day and we can't wait to do it again next year. It's been an absolute blast, getting people from all over the West Midlands here with their cars to come and show what they've got, what they've done, what they've modified, what they want to change, enjoy the talks. It's been absolutely fantastic.